a good morning, a good afternoon, and a good evening from where you are. My name is Marika, a member of Zefco Nature Club, initiated by Zexa Friends for Nature Conservation. Day on 12 April 2025, we are setting from our nursery bed at Chikuni, Kalamba Town Council, the Gombe Town Council, or in Butambala District. Come and enjoy us.
Zexa Friends for the nature conservation. Sing it to them. The children are rising to teach the nation. In the deep of the world, the temperature's rising, the oceans are drying. Wetemera kefunike, ochamu no bika. And see what this is, the trees that you got are messing the earth, we just can't deny. Webi to say, chira wane masive, mera yansing and focus. This is a message we got to act, unite as one. We can't solve the equation, Mother Earth just needs our attention. Twende pamoja, we got to stand and rise up together. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Let us teach the young ones to love their nation. Domestic tourism, the rivers and lakes of Uganda to Lambule. Pack your bags, put on your shoes. It's time for adventure. Domestic tourism, the part of Africa. Baby, that nice sauce and ninja wafe to Lambule. Baby, that nice sauce and ninja wafe yo to be kumbe. Pack your bags, put on your shoes. Hey, it's time for adventure. Domestic tourism in the Pearl of Africa. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Climate change is a problem, bringing the land we can't contain. We can't save the environment, we can rise for the future. We got a plan for the nation. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Teach the children the dangers we're facing. Yeah. Planting trees for the future. Engaging the young with nature. Climate change is a problem. Greening the land we can contain. Yeah. Yeah. Zexa Friends for the nature. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a difference. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and protect the environment. Zexa, uniting the children to stand and make up a